Great design transforms spaces, and interior and exterior design franchises help families and businesses bring their vision to life. From outdoor spaces and landscaping to bathrooms, children's rooms, entertainment areas, kitchens, living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and even home offices. Designers create comfort, beauty, and value in every corner. Interior and exterior design isn't just about style, it adds long-term property value and enhances quality of life. That means steady demand, repeat clients, and strong growth for franchise owners. With IFBC, you can connect to trusted design brands that already have proven systems, creative expertise, and loyal customers. Whether it's modern interiors, functional renovations, or outdoor transformations, these franchises deliver high ROI and scalable opportunities. Book your free IFBC consultation today and discover how interior and exterior design can become your next profitable business.